guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara shoulder bag, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara fabric, paper, this is a medium size interfacing, scissors, a zipper and lining. The measurement for the bag we are making will be 8 inches length by 9 inches width. Okay, this fabric is on fold, and I iron a medium weight interfacing on it. So the next thing you want to do is to come to this folded part, place your tape rule here. You are going to measure ½ inch, 1.5 inches. We are going to make like an arc here with this 1.5 inches. We'll come to this other part, the opening part, and you measure 2 inches. I'm still going to use the 2 inches to form another arc here. If you have a cuff ruler, you can use it to make your arc. It will be better with your cuff ruler. So I'll cut this off. Okay, I'm also going to cut this off. Okay, so after that, I need to cut this other part, so I'll just fold this side here. So we'll use this side to cut this part off, that it will be accurate. After that is done, you open it. I'm widen this part a bit. Okay, we are going to cut this into two. Now it's separate. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to pick your lining. You're going to go and attach this to your lining. I'm just going to stitch it down round. I'm also just going to stitch this other part down round. I have stitched the lining to the fabric. Okay, and the next thing we want to do is to fix our zipper. You are going to take your zip, you're going to fix here, you will stitch it, you open it, top stitch on it, then stitch this other side as well, open it and top stitch on it. I have fixed the zip. Okay, so the next thing for us to do is to fix the handle of this bag. For the handle of the bag, from this zip part, we're going to measure 1 inch downwards on the both sides of the bag. 1 inch. Then from the side this way, we're going to measure 1.5 inch. Just 1.5 inch. 1.5 inch. This is where we'll be fixing. This is where we'll be fixing the handle of this bag. And for the handle, this is the bridal satin I'll be using. I'd already ironed the medium weight interfacing inside. I folded it and stitched it on one part. So let's measure it. This is 16 inches by 1 inch. Okay. We're going to fold the down part, the handle, a bit. Put it under your line. We're going to stitch like a box. Okay. I'm going to do the same with this other part of the bag. I have fixed the handle of the bag. Okay, as you can see. So the next thing to do is to cut this excess zip off. Okay. After that is done, we're now going to measure the side of the bag. So you start your measurement from the zipper side. So this is 23 inches. That's what I'll be cutting out for the side of the bag. So this is for the side of the bag. Let me show you. I'd already ironed a medium weight interfacing here. Then I stitch lining together to the Ankara fabric. So let's measure it. This is 23 inches by 4 inches. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to fold into 2 equal parts. And from here, from this folded parts, you're going to measure 1 inch. Then take your tape rule up. You're going to measure 6 inches. You're going to connect this 6 inches to this 1 inch here. Okay, so I'll cut that off. Okay, so I'll just fold this part, okay, and use it to cut this other side of the bag. When that is done, okay, this is it. You can stitch back your lining to your fabric. Stitch it back. Okay, stitch this part too. Stitch it back so you can hold it down. And this is what we are going to be doing on your bag. We're going to be stitching this. Okay, we're going to be stitching it like that. When you stitch these parts, look at where I started stitching. I started stitching from this edge. So this is this other edge. We're still going to stitch it like that, same way. And stitch it round. Meanwhile, open your zip so that when we are done stitching, you can turn inside. Just continue to edge like that. And stitch both sides of the bag. So now it's time to turn the bag inside out. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.